Road biking is more than just hopping on your bike and hitting the pavement. From safety to comfort and navigation, a few essential accessories can make all the difference in your riding experience. Whether you're commuting or exploring new trails, here's a rundown of the 5 must-have accessories every road cyclist should consider. Safety is paramount, and the Smith Optics Dispatch helmet is the ultimate choice for riders who prioritize protection. Made with urban commuters in mind, this helmet combines zonal KORO-YD technology with MIPS multi-directional impact protection system to shield your head from angled impact. With 8 vents strategically placed to keep airflow consistent, you'll stay cool even during intense rides. The helmet also features a rechargeable red LED rear light to improve visibility in low light, a feature that's crucial for urban riders who share the road with traffic. Smith's VaporFit system allows you to adjust the fit quickly with a simple dial, so the helmet sits snugly without feeling tight. The Fidlock buckle offers the ultimate convenience. When you're managing bags or gear, just a quick one-handed snap, and you're good to go. Visibility is key for safe cycling, and the Lumos Firefly is a versatile, all-in-one light that covers all your bases. This compact light doubles as both a front and rear light, and it's loaded with features that make riding safer and more intuitive. When connected to the Lumos remote, it even functions as a turn signal and brake light, automatically adjusting to your movements. It's sleek, but powerful, with 20 high-powered LEDs for rear visibility, and a white LED for front lighting, ensuring that you're visible from all angles. The Firefly runs on a rechargeable battery, giving you up to 35 hours of use on its lower power modes. It's also fully waterproof with an IPX7 rating, so rain or shine, you can depend on it. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can adjust settings through your smartphone, making it a tech-savvy choice for the modern rider. Weather can be unpredictable, especially when you're out for a long ride. The Baleaf men's cycling jacket is designed to adapt to different conditions, featuring detachable sleeves that let you switch from a full jacket to a vest in seconds. It's made from a lightweight, windproof material that keeps you warm without overheating, while a back ventilation system helps regulate body temperature. Reflexive details on the jacket keep you visible in low-light settings, which is especially helpful for early morning or evening rides. And with multiple zippered pockets, you have plenty of secure storage for essentials like your phone, keys, or snacks. This jacket's versatility makes it perfect for year-round cycling, from summer rides to winter commutes. For cyclists who want more than just the basic ride stats, the Bryton Rider S800 is the ultimate navigation and performance tool. Featuring a 3.4-inch touchscreen display, this GPS computer is packed with features for tracking, training, and navigating. With preloaded OSM maps and route guidance, you can explore new routes with confidence. Voice search and real-time climb info add to its ease of use, making it great for riders who like venturing into uncharted territory. The S800 is also designed for performance training, tracking everything from power data to cycling dynamics. The Climb Challenge feature keeps you motivated with real-time climb data and alerts, while its compatibility with various e-bike systems and smart trainers makes it a versatile tool for any kind of ride. The S800 has a robust battery life of up to 36 hours and offers BLA 5.0 and ANT Plus connectivity, so you can sync it with other sensors and devices effortlessly. When you're using the navigation on the go, a secure phone mount is essential, and the Loop Micro Mount is the ideal solution. This ultra-compact mount blends right into your bike's stem, offering a low-profile design that keeps your phone discreetly in place. Unlike bulkier mounts, the Loop Micro Mount integrates seamlessly with your bike's setup, so you'll barely notice it's there until you need it. Installation is a breeze, taking only seconds with the tools provided. It's compatible with all mainstream smartphones, securely gripping them with rubberized clamping jaws. Whether you're hitting bumps or rough terrain, your phone stays locked in, making it a reliable accessory for both short commutes and long rides. The mount's lightweight metal construction ensures durability while keeping your bike looking sleek. That was our top 5 picks for the most essential road bike accessories that you should consider getting your hands into. Hope you found the right one for yourself, and thanks for watching.